Handy Hudsonite here. Today I'm going to look at some inexpensive Bluetooth earbuds, but are they going to measure up when it comes to quality? We'll see right after this. I was recently approached by a company to review their earbuds, their Bluetooth earbuds, and so I have those earbuds here, and I want to do a quick unboxing and review on my take on these earbuds. These are inexpensive. You can buy them on Amazon. Check out the link in the description to get your own. And I want to give you a quick rundown of what I've thought about these to see if they measure up to what we want to use them for, whether it's for sports, whether it's for leisure, whether it's to watch movies on our phone, device, computer. Let's get into it. The headphones that I was sent are the Jecoo wireless stereo earbuds. So they come in this attractive box. It shows you that they can connect to a tablet, computer, smartphone, and it's compatible with iPhone and both Android and iPhone. And just really impressed with their design and packaging here. So what we want to do is just slide this out. It's just a sleeve on here, and you'll see that their design is just really well done. Almost looks like some sort of jewelry box here, and very sleek. Really like the texture on here. So let's slide it out and see what we have inside. Have the instructions and the features for this. And so what you get is this really cool, sleek looking pod that the earbuds charge in. And so they come inside this case. This, I suppose, is just for being able to take it with you, hang it on your finger. I guess it's too small for my wrist, so unless you want to attach it to some sort of carabiner or something to carry it with you. Their logo there in the front and the silver in the back. And you'll notice too that these are waterproof, the IPX5, so I believe, and then a 400 milliamp charging case. So this model is the T2S if you want to look up some more information on it. And the IPX5 waterproof rating is one that allows you to wear these for sports. So it's resistant to sweat, and I imagine to a light rain. If there's a downpour, you definitely should not submerge these, as they're not rated high enough for that. There's a little box in here. This is going to contain, I believe, the charger. There's some replacement covers for the buds, depending on the size of your ear canal, and you can experiment with that to see what fits best for you. And then the charger, it's just a short charger, micro USB here, that is compatible with any sort of just charging block, and or you plug it into your computer to charge it. So let's take a look inside the case. So what do we got here? Okay, so we have the earbuds living in here. You've got the right and the left, and you take these out. They're flashing blue. When they flash red, they're in pairing mode. And what I found is these paired with my phone. I have an iPhone 8. They paired. The way these work is they pair first with each other, because there's no wire connecting them. They have to pair with each other first, and then they seek to connect to your phone via Bluetooth. And so these are already connected to my phone, so that's why they're flashing blue, and these will flash blue indefinitely. But these will show up in your Bluetooth section of your phone, your iPhone or Android, as T2S, and that's the one that you want to pair it with. And so these are very sleek, and you can see the charging port here. That's what connects with the these here to charge. Here's the case. When I put them in to charge, you'll notice the red light here and here. That means they're in charging mode. This green means that this case is charging. When you close it, that will flash, and this will stay red until it's fully charged, and then that will disappear. So, and I found that this case is good for about 3 full chargings, and probably not more than that. And the battery life on these is decent. I would say, depending on what you're using them for, if you're using them for listening to music, they're going to last you a couple hours. They also will work for making phone calls, and the audio is really good. Now you will experience some lag with audio, and so you're going to have a latency, what's called a latency problem, when it comes to using this with your phone or your computer or tablet, especially when you're using third-party apps. Now, if you watch YouTube videos in your native browser, like for example Safari on an iPhone, you will experience less latency, so there won't be quite as much lag. If you're streaming music, let's say with Spotify or any other music app, and you really don't have to, it doesn't have to be synced up with video, then it's not really a big deal, or for podcasts. As far as Bluetooth range, I found these to perform remarkably well. I was able to go 30 feet away from my phone and my upstairs with in between walls, and they still stayed connected with quality audio. As far as audio quality, I found that these did reasonably well. You're not going to get the same audio quality that you would with over-the-ear headphones or higher-end earbuds, but for the price, these do very well. And as you can see, they slip into your ear, and so they're going to block out a reasonable amount of outside noise and give you good bass. Now for sports, these would do great for running or walking or going to the gym. But if you're going to use these for cycling, which I tried, they are going to produce a fair amount of wind noise because they do stick outside of your ear a few millimeters. And so it's going to pick up that wind resistance. And I found that in certain stretches of my ride, they did okay. But then when I was riding faster downhill, it washed out a lot of the noise, and then I would really have to turn it up high to compensate for that. But overall, I give these earbuds a high mark. They're definitely ones that I want to continue to use. I just love being able to have the freedom of not having a wire in between these, and definitely not a wire connecting to your phone. But again, you're going to run into latency issues with lag of the audio with the video, which is going to be frustrating, though you can somewhat get around it by using your native browser for watching videos. But if you're going to use third-party apps like YouTube, Instagram, it's just going to be something you're going to have to deal with. And these are definitely easy to store by just putting them right back into the container. You see they turn red because they're going to charging mode. Close it, and you'll notice that the red means that they're charging. The green flashing light means that the pod is in charging mode. And once these are charged, these red lights will go away, and the green light will stop flashing. So very compact, easy to take with you. Here's the port for plugging it in to charge. It's on the back. Again, the Jecoo wireless Bluetooth earbuds. I just wanted to show you how to put these in. Just take it out. This is the right earbud, and the way you put it in is you want to have it seat right there in your ear like that. Same way for the left. You might have to twist it a little bit to get it in. Just be careful not to shove it in too far, though the casing prevents you from doing that. And you can still hear what's going on in the outside to some degree, and hands-free, and it connects seamlessly with your iPhone, your Android. So appreciate you watching this review. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, The Handy Hudsonite, for more tips, hacks, and reviews so that you can get the job done. And I will look forward to seeing you in the next video.